So to make a new student's webpage, use the student webpage project, and then, you'll click these three dots to duplicate it, and then you're going to name it the student name who you're making the website for, which in this case is Genevieve Pineda. Duplicate, and then it should open it. Click on Edit Project, change the student name, and then the only other thing that you have to change is you have to add a button for their credit summary. And their credit summary would be a link, I keep opening that, a link on the tracker for their credit summary, their published credit summary link. Make sure that you don't give them the edit link because we don't want them to be able to type in it or anything. Okay, so once that's copied, we'll go back to the website and paste that there. Make sure you click this button to make sure that the button's centered, and that's it. So now to create the website, we're going to hit share, publish and share, and then create link. Once the link is created, you're going to copy it, and then you want to create a bit.ly. So paste that link in another tab to open it. So this is what the student's webpage looks like. I'll check out the credit summary link just to make sure everything's good. Okay, it looks fine. I can't type in it or anything. So, and then you have the bit.ly link Chrome extension. And if we click that, it'll automatically allow you to make a bit.ly for it. And we're just going to do G Pineda. And let's see if it's available. It's not available, so I'm just going to add a 1. See if that one's available. It is. And then copy. Go back to the tracker. And we're going to paste it in here. And I always delete the HTTPS part because it's not necessary. And it just makes it look a little simpler without it. And that's it.